The 2026 Mitsubishi Destinator emerges as one of the brand's boldest ventures into the SUV market, blending futuristic design, advanced technology, and rugged versatility. With a name that suggests purpose and direction, the Destinator is engineered to appeal to adventurous families and modern drivers who want capability without sacrificing comfort or refinement. It represents Mitsubishi's push to re-establish itself as a strong competitor in the global SUV space, particularly against established players from Toyota, Nissan, and Hyundai. For 2026, Mitsubishi has infused the Destinator with an identity that draws from the brand's rally heritage while integrating the latest innovations in electrification, safety, and connectivity. Design is one of the Destinator's strongest suits. The exterior adopts Mitsubishi's evolving a dynamic shield philosophy, but interprets it with sharper lines, bolder proportions, and a commanding stance. The front fascia features a broad grille flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights and vertical daytime running lights, giving the SUV a futuristic yet aggressive appeal. A sculpted hood, muscular fenders, and aerodynamic bodywork enhance its presence, while available two-tone paint options add a premium touch. At the rear, a sleek LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, emphasizing width and modernity. Depending on the trim, wheel sizes range from 18 to 21 inches, giving the Destinator a versatile look, equally at home in urban environments or rugged trails. Inside, Mitsubishi has clearly prioritized space, comfort, and technology. The Destinator is offered in both 5- and 7-seat configurations, making it adaptable for different buyers. Premium materials like soft-touch leather, brushed aluminum, and wood accents elevate the cabin, while customizable ambient lighting creates a modern atmosphere. The centerpiece is a large 14-inch infotainment screen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. A fully digital 12-inch driver display provides crisp visuals for navigation, performance stats, and driver assist features. Mitsubishi has also integrated advanced voice command functionality and a refined sound system developed in collaboration with a premium audio brand, ensuring both convenience and entertainment. Practicality is another highlight, with generous cargo space, multiple storage compartments, and clever features such as a hands-free power liftgate and split-folding rear seats. For families, Mitsubishi offers rear seat entertainment screens, multiple USB-C ports, and tri-zone climate control, ensuring long journeys remain comfortable for everyone. Under the hood, the 2026 Destinator comes with multiple powertrain options to suit global markets. The standard variant features a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering a balance of efficiency and power. For those seeking electrification, Mitsubishi offers a plug-in hybrid version, drawing from the brand's expertise with the Outlander FEV. This setup combines a gasoline engine with dual electric motors and a large capacity battery, enabling an estimated 40-50 miles of pure electric driving range. The hybrid system not only improves fuel economy but also enhances off-road capability through Mitsubishi's Super all-wheel control system, which seamlessly distributes power to all four wheels for maximum traction. A rumored fully electric version may join the lineup later, positioning the Destinator as a future-ready SUV. Safety and driver assistance technologies are comprehensive. The 2026 Destinator includes Mitsubishi's latest MyPilot Assist suite, which offers adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Higher trims add semi-autonomous driving capabilities, advanced parking assist, and enhanced night vision, making the SUV one of the most technologically advanced in Mitsubishi's portfolio. Performance-wise, the Destinator is engineered to handle diverse driving conditions. On-road, it delivers a smooth, quiet ride with responsive steering and well-tuned suspension. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the selectable terrain modes, hill descent control, and improved ground clearance, which allow the vehicle to tackle challenging trails with confidence. Mitsubishi's decades of experience in rally and off-road racing clearly influenced the engineering of this SUV. In essence, The 2026 Mitsubishi Destinator is a statement vehicle, one that redefines what Mitsubishi stands for in the modern era. It blends bold design, cutting-edge technology, versatile performance, and eco-friendly options into an SUV that is as practical for families as it is capable for adventure seekers. Positioned to compete in the highly contested midsize SUV segment, the Destinator has the potential to restore Mitsubishi's image as an innovative and forward-thinking automaker, offering drivers not just a mode of transport, but a true companion for every journey.